Faddy. Welcome back to my channel. So basically, there's a lot of 2015 plus WRX and STI owners who are looking to modify their car, but they don't want to spend a lot of money on it. So here I'm going to help you out on my 5 inexpensive mods on what you guys can do for your car and make it look really good as well. Number 1, a front lip. I'm not talking about the $415 STI OEM front lip that's cost an arm and a leg. I'm talking about a replica. The replica OEM kits runs about $80. And the one I have right now is the Bayson R Front Lip. And you don't have to worry about damaging it, scratching it, or anything like that, because they're easily replaceable and it looks really close to stock. It makes your front end look a lot more aggressive than it is, and you don't have to spend an arm and a leg for it. The second mod that's inexpensive that you should definitely get for your car are LED bulbs for the interior of your car. The stock one comes with the halogen bulbs, which look disgusting. It doesn't illuminate well. You should definitely upgrade that to LED bulbs. So I would recommend upgrading your dome light, your map lights, your trunk, and you should definitely upgrade your license plate lights, because those look disgusting as well. So it'll give you a nice clean look, and it gives you that VIP look as well. So definitely look into that. You can get those for really cheap. So if you guys don't know where you can buy your LED bulbs, I got you covered. Check out the link below, and that's where you can order them from. The third thing you should buy for your car that's inexpensive is the third brake light. The stock one comes with this little cheap plastic housing that goes over it, and it looks disgusting. It looks like some garbage mesh that they put together, and they just say, hey, let's replace this little hole with this crappy mesh cover. The one I have is a JDM one, because I prefer to go looking stock as close as possible. So that's what I have currently on my car. You can actually buy the aftermarket one, like for example the F1 with the LED ones, the smoke lens. You can get those, but those are relatively cheap as well. So you can get one for less than $100. So I would recommend getting that for your car. It looks so much better. Number 4 you should get for your car that's inexpensive is a DRL bezel. So my fog light bezels in the front, I'm currently running the Subispeed S4 fog light bezels, and they have an LED strip that goes right in front of it. So it'll be constantly on when I'm driving, and it looks really nice. So it actually just makes your car looks a lot cleaner. It makes it looks more luxurious, if you want to look at it that way. But I would recommend getting that. You can get that for less than $200. You can get it for Subispeed. They sell it for $140, I believe. And you can check out the link. But yeah, for just a simple bolt or simple modification like that, it just makes the car look a lot cleaner than it is. Number 5, the last and probably most coolest feature to get on your car that's inexpensive is the tail S turn modification. It's pretty much a harness that manipulates the way your turn signals are. So what it does, it just replaces where the stock location turn signal is at, and it puts the brake lights as your turn signals. So I would definitely use that because it looks a lot better. I don't know why Subaru didn't do that initially when they first released this car in production, but it makes the car look so much better. And also the modification or a harness allows that stock location where your turn signal used to be as a reverse light. So it actually makes the reverse light look a lot brighter, so that way when you're reversing, it actually alerts the car behind you. I would recommend buying some LED white bulbs to replace that, because you're going to be using the stock one, which is the ugly yellow. Just make it look clean and one unified color. I would definitely look into getting an LED bulbs for those reverse lights. So So if you're gonna buy LED bulbs for your reverse light, I would recommend buying a LED relay, because the LED that you buy for your car is gonna read a lower voltage, and because of that, your car's gonna think that your tail lights are out. So it's gonna cause it to flash really fast. So to eliminate that, you buy this relay, so it'll cause it to regulate the voltage. So those are the things that I would definitely buy for your car. So those are my top 5 inexpensive mods that you can definitely do for your car that makes your car look a lot better. If you guys believe that there's something else that's cheaper that looks way better, be sure to comment below and let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys subscribe and be on the lookout for what other videos that I might come out with. Until then, peace out, guys.